Nowadays, recommendations for Padma Awards are available on demand. After Saina Nehwal, it was Vijender Singh's turn on Tuesday. The Haryana boxer pulled no punches when he said that if the badminton star can be recommended for the Padma Bhushan, he too could well be. Since my 2008 Olympic bronze and the 2009 World Championship bronze, I have gone on to win an Asian Game gold, a bronze and a silver in Commonwealth Games besides a gold in the World Police Games. So, if her name can be considered, then I can also try my luck, Vijender was quoted, a saying by agencies. Vijender's observation laid bare the truth that athletes could be self-seeking if the situation presents them with an opportunity. He had no qualms in sounding unrefined when he said that Saina and he were on par on the performance front. So, if he could have her own way with the soft parts ministry, why not he? So, if he could have her own way with a soft sports ministry, why not he? Later in the day, the star boxer like Saina denied that he had made the demand by saying, I have not written or spoken to anyone from the sports ministry about this. I have only sought the criterion for the award from Boxing India. I am aware that the last date is over. I am okay if my late recommendation is not entered by the ministry. Vijender did give credit to Sushil by saying the wrestler was the most deserved candidate, having won 2 Olympic medals, but the damage had been done. Vijender and Saina mirror the new face of Indian sports, which feels rewards must follow a good performance. The trend began with the Arjuna Awards years ago, with athletes either taking legal resource or help from the media to project their case.